Hello everyone, my name is An Yi. Welcome to my hometown, Sichuan, the land of plenty. Spring Festival is the most important traditional festival for the Chinese nation. The place is hailed as the birthplace of Spring Festival culture in China. Luo Xiahong, a native of Langzhong, Sichuan province, was an astronomer in the Western Han Dynasty. He participated in the formulation of the Tai Chu calendar. For this reason, he is called the father of Spring Festival by later generations. On the eve of the Spring Festival, all family members enjoy a reunion feast together, a symbol of good luck and happiness. Zhangfei Beef Jerky is a must-dish at reunion feasts for Langzhong people. The beef jerky tastes dry, but not too hard. Smooth, but not too soft. It has lasting aftertaste when chewing for a while. Langzhong is embraced by the wandering Jialing River, creating a beautiful painting of the city in harmony with mountains and rivers. As Spring Festival draws near, you are welcome to Langzhong, where you can taste Chinese food and experience Chinese festival. Wish people around the world a happy Chinese New Year.